Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro, delivery 2013 Hyundai i30, stock number 7123. It's ran from the 3rd 2012 to the 2nd 2017. Has a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory steel wheel good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console look. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.